Hey, what's going on, kings, queens, and everyone in between? Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to clean your blinds without taking them down. We're going to keep it simple and keep it easy and fresh. So with that being said, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber Swanson, and on this channel, we talk a lot about tips and tricks to help you save time and money, especially from my mistakes, because I'm a professional house cleaner and I want to help you get the most use out of your time. So with that being said, if you want to learn more, consider subscribing. So the first thing you want to make sure that you do is that you properly dust your blinds. You want to make sure you start with dusting your blinds first, because dust and water do not mix. Whether you're dusting or cleaning your blinds, you start from the top to the bottom because dust falls, and you want to make sure that you're not making more work for yourself. If you have wood or false blinds, these are the tips that we're going to focus on. If you want to learn more about the tools and things as we continue to go through this video, I'll leave more resources in the description below. When we talk about actually getting into the cleaning aspect of your blinds, that with wood, actual real wooden blinds, they warp with time because of moisture. So be very gentle when you are cleaning your blinds in that aspect. Make sure that you start from the left or right of the blind, depending on what's your dominant hand, and you take whatever tool that you have available and you get in each blind so gently. Now, if you have metal blinds, easily bend or break, and at this point you just need to hire a professional metal blind cleaner in your area that can get the job done. They have the special knowledge, tools, and equipment, and more importantly, the time. And it'll be beneficial for you to just purchase new metal blinds. But after you've dusted your blinds, you need to switch the blinds over and get the back. Now, to make it even more easier, go ahead and grab your vacuum. Make sure that it has a vacuum attachment that is clean and fresh and it does not have debris from other things. So go again from top to bottom, and then if you need to get any grime or things like that, you grab your handy dandy deep cleaning tools such as your crud cutter or Dawn and your terry cloth for application. Now, if you want to learn more about what these things do and the importance of why you should use them, you should check out this video. And then rinse and repeat, and that's it. That is how you can clean your blinds fast without taking them down. Simple, easy peasy. In this next video, we're going to talk about the difference between the maintenance cleaning and deep cleaning your blinds, and how you can maintain cleaning your blinds throughout the entire year, and you're not going to want to miss it. So check that video out, and in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.